Good morning, guys. How's it going? Welcome to Trade Confident. We have a very good trade to talk about today. This is Matic USD. We are currently sitting at 17.67% in the profit. So let me go over how we got here. I want to kind of start there. So our 97th for 97th trade was actually on Matic for 50% exit. Now, the way I calculated that win there was we entered in at the buy limit of 214, and then I took a 50% exit up here at 236 and moved our stop loss to break even. So basically 50% of our trade was exited and we took 10.21% already, and then I moved the stop loss to break even, quote unquote guaranteeing that trade. Awesome. To go forward here, what we actually did after that is we moved our stop loss up here on Matic. We moved it up to, I'll actually show this to you guys. We moved it up to 242, and then just this morning I came out with another update for you guys because we're still going up this morning, and I updated that in here to 252, which you guys now see at 252 on December 22nd. So we are still in this trade, and we are up 17.67%, and it is still climbing. So I want to go over that today, guys, but we literally have won 97 for 97 wins on this channel. I will teach you guys in the second half of the video exactly how to get into our trading program. It's the cheapest one you guys will find online for this win rate and the percentages that we're making. We're averaging between 10 to 15% per trade. So I'll show that to you guys in the second half of this video. All right, let's dive into Matic. You guys know where we're at because I just told you guys about that, but let's take a look at the price versus the well money flow, and let's take a look at the trend exhaustion. What can you guys just observe from where we're currently at with these two indicators? We are sitting in the top red section here, and the well money flow is very high. When this pushes up to the top section as well as this pushes up here, what do we see happening in the past when we get up to these areas? We are seeing reverses back down in Matic, and we can start seeing this very soon here. When we push up in the top red section here as well as the well money flow up here, this is when the price actually started to actually create a bull trap to the upside, and then we started to see a very fast crash after that. All right. What I'm looking for right now is a move back down, but what I'm doing for us is I'm moving our stop loss up to secure as much profit as possible before we actually see a move back down, and that's what I'm doing for us. So if this keeps going up and it just keeps flying up here, what I'm going to do for everybody is I'm going to take the stop loss and I'm just going to keep moving it up here. So we could actually profit on this trade 20+%. This is why you guys want to trade with us. It is so much fun and you guys are doing very, very well. Let's go over the metrics now for Matic to give us a little idea of what we could be heading into here. The emotional index. We are pushing up into the excited and the greedy section. This is going to update this morning in literally about 45 minutes. If this blue line pushes up into the greedy area, I am looking for the Wells institutions to start shorting this back down. What we will do, guys, is once the buy limit is, the stop loss is hit here at 252, that will officially close the trade for everybody. And then what everybody needs to do, you guys can go onto the website. I'll show you guys how to do this in the second half of the video, but we're all going to set up new buy limits. Me included, because I'm in this trade. I'm going to set up new buy limits with you guys, and you guys can join me on the next trade we take. It's going to be awesome. Okay, long versus short trade risk in the market. We are still sitting up here into the good short trade area where honestly, guys, I think there's more favor on taking short trades. Now, we don't take short trades on this channel, so what we're going to be doing when we get to this area is exiting our long trades and then waiting to get picked up again on the higher low. So we have a low, a high, a higher low formation that I'm looking for in the market, and we're going to get picked up right here, and then we're going to ride this thing back up. Okay, that's the plan, guys. You need to make sure you are taking profit and not getting too greedy. Look at this. All the retail trader indicators are all green on green on green on green, all 6 of them. When this happens, you guys know what I'm about to say if you've watched me for a while. We trade against all the retail traders. So this is where we're going to be selling our trades, where a lot of people are going to think, you know what, we're just going to break this top here, the resistance, and we're just going to fly to the moon. I don't think that's going to be possible. If we go up, we're going to move our stop loss, and that's going to be great because we'll make more money. But I do think we're looking for a move back down here soon. Take a look at Well and Institutional Smart Money. What are they doing? Well, what they're doing is as the price is going up here, they're actually accumulating short trades in the market, looking for this move back down. Now, how aggressive is this? This is why we have actually metric values to the left over here. We're sitting at about, I would say, between 200 to 400, so right around like 300, negative 300 is the metric value. Now, when we get down here to around negative 1,000, this is where some crazy drops can happen. So are they really aggressively shorting the market? Not super aggressive, But watch this morning, because as this comes back up here, we could be seeing this have a nice bar down, and that could be putting pressure on long trades, which is why we want to keep moving our stop loss up to lock in profits on this trade, guys. Okay, looking at support and resistance prices, this was the next resistance up here was 258, and then obviously the next support is going to be around 250, the psychological level. So obviously we've broken this, so 250 right around this area here is where I'm going to be looking at possibly trying to enter back into. Sorry guys, actually let me just double check that real quick. Is it 250? Yeah, 250 on that structure high. Okay, 224. I'm sorry, guys, 225 is what we're looking at. 225. Look, that's not even close. This is where I'm looking at. Yeah, this is around 225 right here. So I'll give you guys some insight here. I'm not going to put the next buy limit here. I actually think we could see a little bit of a dip down like this and then get back up. So I'm going to get us in sooner than this structure low here for the next buy limits. So does that make sense? Like if this comes back down today because the trend exhaustion is high, the stop loss is taken out, I'm going to put the buy limit somewhere within this area here above this support because I don't think we should be waiting for it to come all the way back down. We can secure more profits if we really start to take off here. So do not miss that next trade, okay? Dollar cost average entries, if you guys have, let's say, $10,000, you want to throw $1,000 into the market every single time you get a green line, that's awesome. You guys have incredible entries you've been able to take on this channel, and you guys are doing incredibly well. Hold for 5 to 10 years, as long as you guys want, okay? Take a look at this. As the price keeps going up here, we're going to be looking for exit points in the market, and then we're going to look for drops back down. But you know what? Until then, we are going to use really good risk management here. We're going to use the indicators, the trend exhaustion, and the price for swell money flow to look for these moves back down. This is why you guys need these on your charts. They are literally 84% off. It's the Christmas sale we have going right now. They will not be lower ever again. Get the indicators on your chart. So let's move over into that. I'm looking for a drop. That's the analysis, and I want you guys to update the stop loss on here with me if I update you guys in the Telegram channel. Here's how you guys get into our system to trade with us. I know a lot of people are going to be wondering that based off today's video. I don't know if any of you guys actually got into this trade or if you're doing as well as this, but let me teach you guys how we're trading over here, and we've never lost a crypto trade ever. 97 for 97 wins. It is $49 a month. That's all you guys have to pay. It's not $100, $200, $300 like, a lot of signal providers. We are just $49 a month. This price will be going up, and I will grandfather everybody in when the price goes up. So make sure you guys just snag that now. That's going to give you access to all the metrics up here, but it's also going to give you guys access to the buy limits on the front page where you guys see live trades. This is where we have taken all of our 97 wins, okay? Here's how you guys do this. We're obviously I'm going to use Bitcoin for an example here, but if you guys scroll down here, I want to show you guys Matic, because this is what you're going to click once that stop loss is hit. That trade will be closed because that will be the second half of the trade exiting the 50%. Once that's closed, you guys, and including me, I'm going to be setting up buy limits over here with the exact buy limits that are presented on today's updates. If we hit the stop loss today, if we hit it tomorrow, awesome. Check right after the stop loss is hit, and we're going to set up buy limits on Matic, and I'll be in that trade with you guys. A lot of people tell me, Travis, I just want to trade with you. What trades are you going to enter into? I'm telling you guys right now, once the stop loss is hit here, follow me on Telegram. Once that stop loss is hit, I'm just going to simply go to the website. I'm going to scroll over here to the live trades. I'm going to scroll straight down. I'm going to actually come in here, and I'm going to click right here under Polygon, and I'm going to set up exactly those 4 buy limits in my exchange. I'm just going to trade with you guys. That's all I'm doing. Guys, the account's up. I think we just broke. Yeah, actually, this morning's been pretty nice. We just made about another $600 this morning because it was at, I checked it an hour ago, and we're at 52. So $100,000 in 52. So we made about $600 extra this morning. Pretty awesome. Market's going up. All right, let me show you how to do this. I'm going to show you on Bitcoin so you guys can understand how we trade here. Once that trade is closed, all you guys are going to do is come in here and update your buy limits. All of the buy limits and our metrics update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time every morning. Let's say you guys have $1,000 you want to trade on the next trade for any of our coins. Simply take that $1,000 and split it into 4 equal portions of 250 each. 250 goes here, 250 here, 250 here, and 250 here. This morning, literally in about 37 minutes, this is going to switch over to say 12/22 because that's going to be the official date of today, which is December 22nd when this video is coming out. That's how you guys know all the buy limits are correct. Once your first buy limit is hit, do not move any of the other buy limits. Keep them where they are at and simply set up your sell limit up here, okay? You guys need to make sure you are not missing this last step. This is the most important. You guys need to follow me in Telegram where I'm giving you guys insider information of what I'm doing to exit all my trades so you guys can join me because we've never lost a trade. Sign into Telegram. on your phone or your computer first, and then click this link right here, and you guys will be automatically added into the Telegram channel where we're taking all these wins. Make sure you guys, the last thing to do in here is make sure you have your indicators set up so you're able to watch the drops and how I'm exiting trades in here, okay? This is the deal. I'm gonna make it really fast. The Christmas special, you guys get 84% off all of our indicators. All you guys need to do is click this link right here and then enter coupon code Christmas at checkout. Okay, that's all you guys are doing. It's so simple. You guys will save $50 extra on top of the listed price for the bundle pack. At the end of this month, which is going to be exactly January 2nd, because I'm going to run this into New Year's special, January 2nd, I'm going to up the bundle pack $50. Now, you guys need to trade with us. You need at minimum the price for swell money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion to copy my charts. That's what I always show on the YouTube videos. It's what you guys always see on the actual Telegram channel. These right now are 58 to 60% off. If you guys get the bundle pack, you're gonna save yourself about 24 to 25% in savings. So you guys might as well save the 25% that you're going to overpay on these three and just go ahead and get the bundle pack in here so you guys can get more indicators. You get all three of these plus 6 more indicators, giving you a total of 9 indicators on with the bundle pack that you guys can use on TradingView. With a free TradingView account, you can use 3 indicators, but you guys can just swap them out if you want on a free TradingView account. It's super simple. So make sure you guys are grabbing the bundle pack in here because you guys are going to be able to get this at literally the best price possible. I will not be discounting it lower than this again. Okay, I will not discount it lower than this again. This is the lowest we will ever have this bundle pack. You guys can mark my words. You can keep me held accountable for that, okay? I'm actually going to be upping the price of the whole bundle pack here in this next coming year in 2022 because I know it's undervalued, okay? Make sure you guys snag that today. Do not miss that sale. I think you guys literally have like 9 days left if we push into January 2nd. So guys, great job on everybody who got into the Matic trade. You are following me in the Telegram channel. You have your buy limit set up. This is the easiest strategy. Literally, you come in, you set your buy limits up, and you leave them. It literally trades for you. And all you guys have to do, even if you're at work, you're like, okay, Travis called an exit up here 50%. I moved my stop loss up. You guys just need to be following me in the Telegram channel of what I'm calling, and that's all you guys do. I've gone through the sweat and the tears and all the hard work of trading for over 4,000 hours to give us a really good strategy. All you guys have to do is copy it. Tony Robbins said this: you can accomplish anything you want to accomplish in the world simply by finding somebody who's already accomplished it and copying them. That's what you guys are doing. You are getting everything I've learned from literally teaching hedge funds to working with $1 million traders. Like literally right now I'm working with them, giving you guys all of this. And I think we have the highest win rate on YouTube. The fastest way to success in trading is to copy someone who is successful. And that's what I'm giving you guys the opportunity to do over here at a ridiculously low cost. Okay, cost to you is hardly anything, and we are going to be upping the price of the indicators as well as the membership. So, ending this video, guys, watch for the drop on Matic. Make sure you guys have your indicators set up. Make sure you guys have the membership over here set up for you guys because I am going to be upping the price of this. And make sure you guys have your buy limit set up and you're in the Telegram channel. And let's see if we can actually go for 100 for 100 wins before this month is over. God bless you guys so much. Stay updated in the Telegram channel for any calls that I make over here. And I will see you guys in the next video. Watch for the drop and get those indicators set up. Bye, guys.